Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of JK Cars, and today we're just going to be installing some little aesthetic stuff in our car. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first we're going to start off extra simple with the bride neck bolts. So these, pretty simple, they just go here and you buckle them on in the back, chill here, and you just kind of move them around to whatever position you like, what you think looks best. If you need to move the seats down more or whatever. It's all a comfort game of what works best for you. I might have mine like that, but yeah, figure it out. It's a simple unclip in the back, lift these up again, buckle in the back, just have them sit there. And now that uncomfy open neck space is filled in, and it feels actually so much better. It's like it's not too much, it's just enough. Oh yeah, that feels a lot more comfortable. Alright, on to the next part. Alright, next piece, pretty simple. All these are like really simple things that you just kind of place in, but technically this is a review, so going over it anyways. The next one is the seatbelt sleeves. These ones are by Energy Innovations. So I'm just gonna pull the seatbelt. I'm gonna buckle myself in real quick, just that way I get a better idea of where this will sit. And there, get the face, fold it over, and it's just Velcro. So Velcro it in place, and boom. Already on to the next thing. The seatbelt looks tangled to me, but it's not. That's weird. Alright. Anyways. That's the only downside, I guess, is it just leaves your seatbelt kind of I might just keep my seatbelt buckled all the time, in all honesty, because it is a real pain in the butt trying to sit here and be like, and then buckle in. So leaving it buckled, I guess, might work out good too. Well, this is all test and see how it goes. So I'm gonna get the long driver's side done, and yeah, I'll get back to you with the next thing. This next part can be a little difficult sometimes, and that's just replacing floor mats. So mine has two hooks on the bottom which hold these ones in place. So the stock ones, kind of dirty. Normally I would clean up in here, but I'm just trying to get these new ones in place. So the new Momo ones, I might put holes in to hold it in place, but for the most part, it is really good.
looks good. And yeah, there's really not much to say about most of this. All it is just me placing them in. But let me test it out real quick and then I'll take care of the other ones. Ow. Yeah, works great. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do. In all honesty, it looks better. So that's all it really matters, in all honesty. I'm gonna get the other ones in. The ones in the back will be easy, but the one in the front, that should be easy too. Only one I could potentially have some difficulty with is the driver's seat, but simple modification, that should be fine. Lastly, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be installing these onto the vents. So for that, you're going to need a Sharpie to mark up, or a pen. I'm using a Sharpie because I know this will mark, and something sharp, whether it's scissors or X-Acto blade. So basically, you're gonna wanna spread it open a little bit, get that first little bit on, slide it over, get as close as you can to where you want it to be. And if that doesn't, sometimes you'll have to take it out and test again. About where you want it to be. Hold that point with your finger and mark just outside with the Sharpie. And then you're gonna want to trim. It's that mark right there. So you're just gonna want to trim it right at that mark. And now, test fit. Always want to make it a little bit bigger, because worst comes to worst, you trim a little bit off just to make it fit. And boom. Perfect fit, and it looks beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna do that for all the vents, and I'll be right back. Alright, so that ended up being pretty good. Like I said, it was just a couple simple things to put in just to make your car look better, especially on the inside, and also be a little more comfortable. The driver's seat mat, like I said, had those hooks. The stock one had the hooks to hold it in place, but the stock mats also didn't have any of a actual grip on them. By the way, one key thing that I will not just recommend, but I almost require you to do, and just trust me on this, keep any stock part you replace. If you're replacing a stereo, floor mats, anything, unless it is already damaged and you're replacing it because it's damaged, keep it. Because in case of whatever happens and whatever goes on, if you need to switch it back to how it was before, switch it back to stock, you have the parts already, so just use that. Don't try and go and get the original stock part. It's not gonna end up working out well. So just trust me, keep your stock parts always, unless they are garbage and you need to throw them away. Like I still have my floor mats. The bottoms are but the mats themselves are still very solid. Overall, I'd say it went very well. The interior, I think, looks clean. It gives it a nice personalized look and feel. Obviously, there's going to be more stuff that goes on. We had the unboxing from last video, which all that stuff is going to go in separate videos. But yeah, as of right now, I'm very happy with the results, and I hope that you guys end up being happy with the results that you produce. And please, any of you that are actually following along with this and trying your own thing, doing your own stuff, please send photos or videos to me. I want to be able to see what you guys are doing, and I might even repost some of them on my Instagram. Alright, well, I'll see you guys next episode, and goodbye.